Hi there everyone, welcome back to Lane's Garage. Just got a delivery in. I thought I'd just get there and do a little bit of an unboxing with you. And yeah, now this has come from a friend of mine, Don Mills, on Facebook. Well, that, thanks heaps Don, much appreciated mate. Great bloke, knows his HRs and his HDs quite well, and it was just a shame that Don cut up his HD, but thanks to Don, I can now repair the bottom section of mine. And the corners are pretty good down here, so I'll be able to, looking at that, I'll be able to use that. I'll clean out all the factory gunk in there. And yeah, anyway, let's go over to the car and we'll just go and see where we're going to need to cut. So hopefully this will be all good. So yeah, there we go. So we'll be able to get there and start on that section later on, probably next week. Well, this week we could probably get there and take off the mud flap, cut out that section there, and that. Don's left the factory lip there, so we might be able to look at using the factory weld and just weld it back in. And that, so that will help fix that bit. And that, so that's this side coming along. We got to still get the diff out to get that section there, so we can get into taking those plates out. And that little section in the corner there, got to look at somehow and taking that plate out too, and re-putting in a new plate there. So yeah. Anyway, that's my little bit of a unboxing, whatever you want to call it. Once again, thanks heaps Don, much appreciated mate. Yeah. So anyway, if you haven't liked any of the videos, please like the videos, give us a big thumbs up. And that, also we've got 77 subscribers now, thanks heaps to those new subscribers. And we're over 7,000 views now. Very happy with that. That's getting there, it's coming along quite nicely. Once again, more thumbs up, that helps me out really heaps. And that, if you'd like to help out the channel a little bit more, I do have some stickers available. Also, I have made up a couple of magnets as well out of the stickers without the YouTube and Facebook logo on it. It's all still the same price, $5 each for the stickers, or the stickers are 2 for $7 as well, free postage within Australia. I am contemplating on and looking into maybe also free postage throughout most of the world as well. So if you're outside of Australia and you would like to buy a sticker, let me know through Facebook, and or jump onto the Facebook page and like it too, and jot us a message, or just leave a comment below that you'd like a sticker and where you're from and that sort of stuff, and I can get you my PayPal details. Don't forget, if you're paying by PayPal, also need you to leave your home, like your address, your PO box address or your home address, whichever one you've got, so I can actually send it out to you. Alright then, I think that's about it for now. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. I am in the middle of cutting out that little bit of rust in there. Excuse me, so I can get in there and fix that as well. So I'll be doing probably a little video on that one soon. And that, a little bit more welding and a little bit more cutting out. Yeah. Alright then everyone, thanks for watching. Once again, thumbs up if you like the video. If you haven't subscribed and you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And yeah, cheerio for now, and until next time, see you.